Hey guys, I'm Plasma and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows 2000 in VirtualBox. So what you do is you type in the name of the virtual machine. I'm just going to go for Windows 2000 that already exists. Okay, I'm going to call it Windows 2000 for video. I'm not going to add a virtual hard drive yet because my C drive is low in storage, and that's the drive that VirtualBox is installed on, so that's the default for all the hard drives. I don't know how to change it yet. I do know, I just haven't really got around to it yet. So then you go ahead and boot from CD. You can pick whatever one of these here, but for the setup I'm going to use Windows 2000 Professional. They're all the same, but they kind of restart a few times. I like restart the entire setup. That's normal, unless it does it loads and loads of times, and you should try and restart the whole upgrade. So, hi. Okay, so, oh yeah, hang on. So, it automatically makes it it automatically makes it it always makes it automatically to go for a SATA disk, which isn't really recognized all that much. So what you need to do is you need to go to the IDE controller, go to create new disk. Actually, no, hang on, no. I think you can use the existing disk because I don't think it deletes. What you should do is just first go for you should first go for the you should originally go for the IDE. So then you just select your hard drive, click OK, go to Windows 2000. You can go to your virtual machine, click C1, or you can click 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm going for 1 because I'm setting a professional, which is like the home use one. I've tried the server one, but I can't really seem to get it working all that well. It crashes all the time, no audio. So, so then you press F8, format the partition with the MTFS file system. I will unpause the video once that is done. So after that, I will begin copying the files. I will unpause the video once that's done. So once that there's finished, you will have to reboot, and this time you boot into the hard drive, and it shows the startup screen. And then once that there is finished, it will go into the setup screen, and it's not like any other like 9X startup screens. It goes into like a window, like setup wizard sort of thing, instead of like the full screen thing. So then you just press next, and it detects all this. I will unpause the video once. So after a while, the screen will start to flicker like this here. So after that there is finished, it will go into the regional settings screen. So all you need to do is just change it to whatever country you're from. So I will change it to this. Input locale. So you can change to whatever keyboard you're going to be using. So I'm going to press left alt shift, and then hopefully that means I can remove the United States one. So there we go. So then you type in your name. I'm just going to type in Win 2000 because I'm not putting my real name in this here. So I actually made a video about this here earlier, but it kind of failed because I forgot to turn on my microphone. So that is why I'm doing it again, and that's why it's already there. So I will unpause the video once this is done. So once that there is finished, it will, this here's the last thing. So what it does is set up, it completes the final stuff. So once that there is finished, the wizard will be complete. So I will unpause the video once this is done. So once that there is finished, it will say this here. So what you have to do is you have to remove the CD, and then you just click finish, and it will reboot into the Windows 2000 setup into the Windows 2000 startup screen, which I actually really like. It's kind of better than like the Windows 98 one, for example. It's not as good as the Windows 2000 server one though. I will maybe be making a video. I will maybe be making a video on that. So what you can do next is okay. So once you're logged on, it will show the setup screen. Then you can log into the internet. What you should do is use LAN because it's kind of the best, and then you just keep pressing next. Although this here doesn't really work because all the Microsoft services are shut down because this was made in 2000. Once that there is done, the connect to the internet thing will go away, and then this you can just remove or unless you're going to use it. I like to remove it just to clear up space, and then you can empty your recycle bin. And then after that, so how you get full screen is the exact same as everything else. You install guest editions. You wait for that. And then this here is kind of glitchy. I'm going to show you how to change the color scheme and all after. So you just keep pressing next, and then there's some things coming up. A lot of things actually. Yes. Yes. It kind of glitches. And yes. And then it'll finish, and then you have to reboot. And I think the noisiness here is kind of broken. Don't know why. Maybe it's not actually. For some reason I can't hear it. Maybe it's my computer. So, oh, you can also change this here to full screen now because this here's fixed. So, this here's it in full screen. So this here is, wait, no, hang on, color scheme. Whoops, that's the last thing. So I'm gonna make another. I'm going to make so I can't really recommend this here, like if you're like going to use something, because this is actually really good. So to change the thing, all you have to go to is display, settings, and then you change it to true color 32-bit. So it kind of glitches. Oh, like the start menu is all the way down here. You can't even see it, but what you do then is you press X, send the shutdown signal, and then it will shut down, and then you reopen VirtualBox, Windows 2000, and then You can just wait for it. You can just press F12 and then 1. It makes it so much faster. It's like half a second faster, but still. And then after you use this for a while, it boots up so much faster. So whenever you're finished, you just type in and everything's a bit better. So that is how to install Windows 2000 in VirtualBox. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more. See you guys in the next one. Bye.